Hello everyone, welcome back to the AI Innovations and Insights series. I'm Florian, a passionate AI researcher focused on underlying principles and insightful content. Today, we will explore three intriguing topics. Marco-o1, Smart Mountaineering for LLM Reasoning. Plan times RAG, Project Manager for step-by-step problem solving with traceable results. PPTX to MD, a PPTX to MarkDown converter. So settle in, relax, and let's dive in. First up, we have Marco-o1. Think of it as a mountain expedition team. The route planner, powered by Chain of Thought, helps break down big problems into smaller, manageable steps. Drones, simulated by Monte Carlo tree search, explore multiple paths with confidence scores to find the best route. The compass, a reflection mechanism, checks and corrects the path as the journey progresses. In simple terms, here is Marco-o1's reasoning process. Problem decomposition, using chain of thought to break down complex problems into multiple sub-problems. Reasoning path exploration, combining Monte Carlo tree search to generate multiple reasoning paths, with each path corresponding to different solutions. Backpropagation, calculating confidence scores for steps in each path to determine the overall rollout path reward. Selection, prioritizing the optimal path based on confidence scores to explore more likely correct solutions. Answer generation, outputting the final answer based on the optimal reasoning path. Marco-o1 stands out with its two optimizations. Mini-steps that add granularity to the reasoning process. A reflection phrase, wait. Maybe I made some mistakes. Which improves accuracy on challenging problems by 50%. While the framework shows promise, there's room for improvement. For instance, the reflection mechanism is simple, where the model regenerates reasoning paths. But it's still unclear whether these paths are diverse enough or can avoid repeating past mistakes. In addition, the reward signal could be more multidimensional, combining factors like path conciseness and task completion accuracy. Next up is Plan times RAG. It works like a software project manager that uses a step-by-step plan, DAG, to break big problems into smaller, easier tasks. It uses team members, expert modules, working together, and incorporates an audit system, single document traceability, to verify the results of each task. The standard RAG framework uses a retrieve-then-reason approach. This method struggles with irrelevant documents, insufficient information, and context window limitations. In addition, it suffers from the issue of lack of attribution. Plan times RAG introduces a plan-then-retrieve framework that decomposes complex queries into subqueries structured within a directed acyclic graph, DAG. It uses frozen LMs as plug-and-play experts, without the need for model fine-tuning. Plan times RAG has 5 steps: receive input query, building the reasoning plan, processing subqueries, merge subquery answers, and return the final answer. The use of DAG and modular expert collaboration made me realize that future LLMs should be more like orchestrated systems, not just language generators. While it's effective, Plan times RAG could face challenges in high-load scenarios. Lightweight DAG optimization and dynamic DAG pruning might be the key to solving this. Now, let's talk about a tool that's practical for content creators and developers, PPTX to MD. This open-source converter transforms PowerPoint presentations into MarkDown. The process is straightforward. It parses each slide, processes shapes, text, images, and tables, and outputs clean MarkDown. To be fair, converting PPTX to MarkDown is much simpler than converting to PDF, at least there's a clear path to follow. That's all for today's content. Let's summarize this episode. Marco-o1 combines chain of thought, Monte Carlo tree search, and reflection to solve complex problems with high accuracy. Plan times RAG, a plan-then-retrieve system that structures queries with DAG, enabling traceable results. PPTX to MD converts PowerPoint slides into MarkDown format by parsing and processing shapes, text, and layouts. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next episode.